I'm going to show you how to add conditional formatting to a cell. Say for instance, I want this cell right here, this is a total amount. I want it to turn a different color if it reach $1 million. So I'm going to show you how to do that. First, you want to click on that cell and you want to make sure you're in the home position right here up here. Go to home and then you go to conditional formatting. You click on it and right here say highlight cell rules. If it's greater than or less than or between or equal to, we're going to say greater than. So we click the greater than. We won't change this quantity to 1 million. And once it hits 1 million, it's gonna light red field with dark red text. So check this out. I'm gonna change. Let's change this 100 from 4 to 15. You notice that it increased and it turned the color. So if I change it back to 4, it goes back. So that's what you call conditional formatting. But let's go to a validation rule. This is pretty good. I like this rule right here. Say for instance, I want to put a validation rule on the Mercedes. I don't want to order no more than 5 or accidentally put in a quantity of 6. So what you want to do is click on that cell and go to data, and you go to data validation. You click on it and click this data validation. You want a whole number between, let's say, 1 and 6 and hit OK. So if I come here and I hit 7 and hit enter, it won't allow me to enter no more than 6. So you can hit retry and we're gonna enter 6. And I think that's a good feature in case somebody try to accidentally hit, 1 0. They try to enter 1, it won't allow them to enter that 10. So that's called a validation rule.